If your baby isn't sleeping through the night, you're not alone. And yes, there really are doctor-approved ways to help them and you get better rest. I'm Sarah Jennings, host of the Mama Method for Ubi Health. As one of the AI faces of Ubi's global network of over 1,200 medical providers, and backed by insights from more than 12 million users, I'm here to help you separate fact from fiction, especially when it comes to various issues around pregnancy, parenting, and family planning. With so much misinformation floating around online, it's more important than ever to get doctor-approved info you can actually trust. Let's talk baby sleep. My twins Hudson and Chrissy were born 3 weeks before their due date and, like many preemies, they wanted to eat constantly and nap in 30-minute spurts around the clock. I can still remember crossing my fingers every time I tried to transfer one from my arms to the crib. Sometimes I would just hold them on the couch and watch Netflix with subtitles, scared to move a muscle. After months of that, I was exhausted, like emotionally, physically, how am I supposed to function exhausted? So I dove deep into the research, tapped into our expert team at Ubi, and made a plan. What I learned really changed our nights and our days. So here's the truth. By the time most healthy babies are around 4 to 6 months old and taking in at least 24 ounces of breast milk or formula during the day, they are physiologically capable of sleeping longer stretches at night. But they may need help learning how to do it. And yes, I said learning. Because the term sleep training can sound harsh, but what we're really talking about is sleep learning, gradually helping your baby get the skills they need to fall asleep and stay asleep on their own. There's solid evidence that sleep learning methods work. Studies consistently show that babies sleep longer, fall asleep faster, and wake less often when guided through sleep routines. And here's the kicker. Better sleep for baby also improves parent sleep, reduces depression risk, and boosts feelings of bonding. Some of the most doctor-approved methods include graduated extinction or time check-ins like the Ferber method, where parents comfort their baby briefly at increasing intervals. There are also chair methods with parental presence and gentler fading techniques. The key is consistency and adapting your approach to your baby's needs and temperament. But what about the crying? Honestly, that's the hardest part. The first night Hudson cried, I sat on my bed watching him on the baby monitor with tears in my own eyes. I kept repeating, he's loved, he's dry, he's fed, he can do this. And he did. Within minutes, he was asleep and slept 5 hours straight for the first time ever. Chrissy? She took a little longer, but by night 3, both babies were doing long stretches. I was a new woman. Now, if that approach doesn't feel right for you, maybe you cherish those night feeds or co-sleepings working, know this. It's okay. There's no one-size-fits-all in parenting, but if you're feeling burnt out and ready to try something new, here are a few gentle doctor-reviewed tips. First, make sure your baby's feeding enough during the day. Shoot for 24 to 30 ounces total in 24 hours. Second, build a predictable bedtime routine. Bath, final feed, lullaby, crib. Same steps in the same order helps babies anticipate sleep. Use blackout curtains and a sound machine to block stimulation and create a calm space. If you're breastfeeding, think about night pumping instead of feeding, especially if you're ready to wean those night feedings but want to protect your milk supply. I used to pump at 1 a.m. after the twins dropped their night feeds, to keep my supply up and build a stash for baby number 3, who's on the way. Above all, whatever sleep method you choose, give it time. The first few nights can be rough, but the payoff may be years of better sleep for your whole family. Worried about your own health? Start by checking in with the Ubi Symptom Checker at ubihealth.com. Its doctor-approved, medical-grade AI is like having your own personal healthcare team, available 24/7, and always 100% free. And don't forget to like and follow for more doctor-approved info you can trust from Ubi Health.